Now बच्चे 3.4 perform basic computer operation. What are the basic computer operation? Session 1 procedure for starting and shutting down the computer. How you will start and shut down the computer? It is easy to enough start the computer if all the electrical components of the computer are switched on. Pressing the switch to on the system cabinet is CPU is usually enough. If the electrical components are not switched on, then follow these steps. बच्चे first point, when you want to switch on the computer, first point, switch on the main power button. Main power button means this one. Firstly switch on this button. Second point, switch on the UPS is not here. Second, switch on the UPS. And third point is switch on the system cabinet button. System cabinet button means CPU. See here बच्चे, this is the system cabinet button. Press this button. Next, fourth point is switch on the monitor button. Monitor already on. These all are the steps of switching on the computer. The above steps are usually enough to switch the computer on and up and running. Steps to shut down the computer are as below. How will you shut down the computer? Number 1, click on the start button on desktop. See here बच्चे, if you want to shut down the computer off once. This is start button. First point is here, click on the start button on desktop. I told you this is desktop, and on desktop start button where? Here. This is start button. Click on this button. Next point, number 2, click on shutdown options. Where shutdown option? Here. This is shutdown. The desktop will fade away on the computer, will gradually shut down. Clear बच्चे? How you on the computer and off the computer? Next topic is operating system. What is the meaning of operating system? बच्चे, operating system is a software. Operating system is a software running on the computer. It acts as interface between the user and the computer. बच्चे, operating system is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It is the most important software of the computer that makes the computer usable by the user of computer. बच्चे, without operating system computer is useless. Clear? Now some of the tasks done by the operating system for the computer are process creation. If you want to create any process, then with the help of operating system you can do. Next is process termination. Process termination means terminate means finished. Third, memory management by process. Memory management, if you want to manage your computer memory, that also with the help of operating system. Disk space management means memory where store the data. Disk space management. Peripheral management. Peripheral, I told you, input output devices. Input output devices also manage operating system. Process management also manage operating system. बच्चे, without operating system ये computer is useless. Operating system operates all the computer, all the input output devices, all the work of computer system. It is rather complex task to write the operating system, so the generally trend is to use some parent and rewrite some of the essential routines in the core operating system. For example, core operating system Linux, these all are the names of operating system. Linux was written with the use of the Unix as the kernel. Some popular operating system for computers are Windows line of operating system, Linux, Macintosh, Android for mobile phones, and DOS. These all are the operating system. DOS means disk operating system. See here बच्चे, when we switch on the computer, Now here written Windows 7 Ultimate. In this computer, which software is there? Windows 7. Windows 7 operating system. These all are the operating system.